One pastor don't come outside. Oh, they talk about Church of God Mission founder. Say this man resurrecting mama from death. Hey, why be said to death story like this? Death, can't they fool inside the thing like this? Say this man mama died. This pastor mama died. And as the woman die, the man say make them wait. Saying there for crusade. This man there America. Say make them not touch him mama. Make they carry mama go put inside a room. Say any day when he come back, he go resurrect this woman. Hey, see the Almighty Superior, Archbishop. I dey wonder, as this man take formulate this kind of story, because as we dey hear him now, this pastor wey talk this thing, his name na Pastor Joshua telling now. This man sabi lie, because as we dey hear this thing, the people who even talk say this thing happen to, they talk say, they never even hear this kind of matter reach. See where pastor they lie. But hey, it surprised me. Because our pastor fit sit down, I been at this clergy, go sit down, formulate this kind of story. In fact, make I not even give na the regis, make I use na ear here for ourselves.
Archbishop Esidahosa, that man raises dead like drinking coke. He was in America when they sent a message that his mother is dead. He said, my mother can't die because God didn't tell me. The last time I checked in the spirit, my mother is well. So if God must take her, he has to tell me. So my mother is not dead. Put her on my bed. When I come back, I will wake her. So when are you coming back? He said in 10 days time. He said she will smell. He said, I say put her on the bed. If it smell, it's my room. Put her there. The first miracle, for 10 days, the body didn't smell. The color changed to ash. The color of the mother changed to black to ash. Totally dead. Stone dead for 10 days. The man of God said he's not coming back till he finishes his crusade. When he finished his crusade, landed Benin Airport. He said, take me home. They took him up. He just entered his bedroom. He said, Mama, I am back. Stand up and give me water to drink. Mama said, my son, welcome.
And I don't see what this man talk. Say in fact, as this woman died, they talk say this woman go the smell. The man say, India okay, may they put the woman for in bed. Say as this man come back, in God they talk say, why mama go die? Where God do not tell him. Superior man. So God supposed inform you before he kill your mom. I know they understand though. Say now you be God ruler, I be now God now be your oga. Because I don't want to understand this kind of matter. God will be say you as a person say, God even decide say he won't kill you. Now you can't talk say because of say God no tell you say he won't kill your mama. In fact, you get all the power, you get all the strength to resurrect your mama come back. Hey, say I think come now there in wake your mama up. On a see super story. Hey, this one even pass super story. He pass about just code. Because this kind of story here, I don't even understand. Now there Church of God Mission come decide say, hey, say this kind of lie, he even surprise them. Say themselves, they even shocked for this kind of way this man talk. Say because of say they never even use their ear. In fact, they never even use their mouth talk this kind of thing reach. Say even the Archbishop Benson Idahosa. Say himself, this news where this man they talk, he surprise him. He overshock him. So I can't want where this pastor for go see your own story. Say in fact, on top of this with God, they don't say so many people they worship God and all this kind of thing. But I beg, may they know they use their name, they lie. May they know they I like as this church come on their name inside. If they want to disgrace this pastor, may they disgrace him. Our pastor go stand for the whole congregation. What did they vex me? Now the congregation say we sit down for them. See as all of them they clap hands, they believe this man say yes, now true man of God. And I see why for this country, Rwanda, in fact they ban most churches because of say all these fake miracle and how they take brainstorm people. Church go tell you say wash your pint, use the water, drink them, you go well, and people go do this kind of thing. I know they understand. People know they think. Some people go give you hypo, paras will say drink them. If you get ulcer, it go. Since when church turn to doctors? Now this kind of case now, I be this one now. Now there this Church of God Mission talk say, I beg go. They don't know anything. In fact, their ear no hear this kind. They know they inside all this kind of story. He no heal any mama, and in fact, no mama even sick. Where we say to the extent say the mama can't die. So I beg me they know they twist all this kind of story. This one a pure falling of hand. They just fall this pastor hand. Because I sure say this kind of pastor now, and one kind of big prominent pastor for in church. Now how people want the inside they look up? Because they look and say, this pastor sabi lie you. Say if you go meet our pastor and he go lie, give you and you go faint. Now, so they're going to describe this pastor now because in lie don't even shake the whole of Nigeria. Everybody don't dey in disarray because of this pastor lie. Some pastors say they don't go make them to heaven because the way where they carry this Jesus matter, it don't dey twist, it don't dey change. Person no tell you story. I beg where you for come go hear this story from. I mean, now God say visit this man before this man come see this kind of story. Because you know, say all this pastor they go to say, now God tell her this one. Maybe now one of the gods. Because I'm not sure saying our Baba God now tell her this one. Maybe now one of those ones now go visit this man, tell this kind of man this story. I hear this one, no, I come say make I bring and come for now, making herself using her ear. Hear what's in the happen inside this our Nigeria where we dey. Anything where I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody safe go see what we dey yarn about. I go see you now for the next video.